Hi everyone, once again this is MB Kitchenette, where you can find easy, quick, and healthy home-cooked recipes. And today I will share another easy and healthy recipe that fit to your budget. Easy fry yellow rice. What is make interesting for this recipe is because all you need are those left over in your fridge. To those who follow my channel, thank you for having with me again. And for those who are new here, I hope you will learn and enjoy the recipe. Write in the comment what country you are watching my video. To start, we need a bowl of leftover rice. 1 piece of carrot, peel, slice, and cut into cubes. Eating carrots is not just crunchy and tasty, but it also brings health benefits like reduced risk of cancer. Diets rich in carotenoids may help protect against several types of cancer. Lower blood cholesterol. High blood cholesterol is a well-known risk factor for heart disease. Weight loss. As a low-calorie food, carrots can increase fullness and decrease calorie intake in subsequent meals. Take half from a bell pepper. Cut, remove the seeds, and cut into cubes. This recipe is made easy for you to follow. I hope you can able to finish this video. Why should we eat bell pepper? Because red bell peppers are rich in many vitamins and antioxidants, especially vitamin C and various carotenoids. It maintains eye health, reduced risk of several chronic diseases, relieving arthritis, protection against diseases such as cardiovascular disease and some cancers, supporting immune function, facilitating cell repair, aiding in the absorption of folate, and lots more. Subscribe to join our community. We love hearing from you. What are your views? Tell us in the comment. We need 3 pieces of spring onions, cut and chopped. Eating spring onions treats high blood pressure and diabetes. Treatment for cold, cough, and flu, and helps fight cancer. Your feedback helps us grow. Tell us what would you like to see next. Explore our playlist for more healthy recipes. I hope you can still follow the recipe. Have 1 tablespoon of frozen peas, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, chopped or minced. Eating garlic can lower calorie, boosts immune system, lowers blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, reduce dementia risk, extend life. In a heated pan with drops of vegetable oil, sauté the garlic. Continue of stirring until aroma comes out, but don't let it turn into brown. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to always be updated. Add the peas and continue on stirring for 30 seconds. Then add the carrots, bell pepper, and spring onion and continue cooking for 1 minute. Hit the like button if you are ready for more easy, healthy, home-cooked recipes. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable flavor, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and continue on stirring. Now add the rice and mix well. Flip it, and while flipping it, put a bit force for pressing, and just continue the process until all ingredients mix well. Yellow rice is common in many Latin American, Caribbean, Middle Eastern, Indian, and Southeast Asian countries, where it is often paired with meat, beans, vegetables, or seafood. Some variations of yellow rice include adding onion, garlic, bay leaves, coriander, cumin, peas, carrots, peppers, jalapenos, or raisins, for extra flavor and texture. Put a bit force for pressing and just continue the process until all ingredients mix well. I hope you enjoy and learn from today's video, and do hope to see for the next video. Subscribe and turn on notification bell for you to be always updated. Hit the like button for more healthy home-cooked recipes. Have a happy, healthy meal. Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. To all my followers, thank you for all continued supports, and to all who are new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to write your name and country where you are watching my video, for me to thank you on my next video. Today I prepare another easy recipe made from leftover in the fridge. Easy leftover fried rice. To begin, let's collect all the few days rest in the fridge. I have here a bowl of rice, some bacon, and rest corn in can. Cut the rest luncheon meat into cubes, just to proportionate it into our ingredients. This recipe is made for a single serving. If you need to serve more and have more rest food, just adjust the recipe. I love lots of garlic in my fried rice, so I will mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Cut half of carrot and cut into cubes. We don't need much since this recipe is good for one serving. In the description of this video, there are some kitchenware and kitchen utensils that you can order or avail. Don't forget to check them. Write in the comment you've used. Your feedback helps us grow. Have 1 piece of spring onions. Remove the roots and the end of the leaves. Cut and then chopped. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell at the end of the video for you to always notify on my next video. Put the bacon on a heated pan. Let it toast a little to come out some of its oil. Add the carrot. Just continue on mixing while cooking. This will take for about 30 seconds. Then add the corn. Now add the luncheon meat and continue on stirring. You can now add the rice. Keep on stirring until all the ingredients are mixed well. This recipe is just easy and quick. It's just like having fun time on while cooking and taking all of the rest food left on a few days. But the outcome is super delicious. Don't be afraid on experimenting on ingredients. You can add some meat or seafoods and different kinds of vegetables. Who knows, your recipe is much more delicious. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe. To Grace, Maritz, Michelle, and Marlon of Philippines, Lucy, Anne, Arlen of Germany, Noor, Abdul, and Kir of Pakistan, thanks for watching, and your continued support helps a lot. And for those new here, it's never been late. Write your name and the country you are watching my channel, and you might be the next person I will greet. We have all been there before. You got a bit overexcited placing your Chinese takeout order on Saturday night, and suddenly it's Sunday, and the egg rolls are gone. The lo mein box is empty, and yet there's somehow still enough fried rice left in the fridge to feed a family. Don't toss a thing in the trash just yet. There's a few easy ways to incorporate your leftovers in a new dish, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And don't worry. If you are a fried rice purist, we have a few tricks up our sleeves to get your leftovers tasting equally as fresh as they did in front of the television last night. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you for watching and have a happy, healthy meal.